how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Now I'm starting the video in a different location. I'm in the car and myself, Oakley and hubby are on the way to Ikea. So we just thought we'd take you along with us. You know, we haven't been into Ikea for a while as a family. I've been a couple of times by myself, but we haven't actually been to Ikea as a family. So today's bank holiday, Easter bank holiday Monday, and we just thought we'd go pop out, you know, go into Greenwich. We're going to the Greenwich store, and we thought we'd just have a look around Greenwich at the same time. We absolutely love spending time in Greenwich. It's such a lovely area, and it's not so far from us as well. So, you know, we're going to take you along with us. So once I get into Ikea, I'm sure there's going to be some new things to show you. We're actually going to go and have a look at the kitchens again and some storage for little Oakley's room. And we're looking to, he's having a moan at the minute because he wants to be on camera. So we're making a shortcut through Blackheath. Absolutely love Blackheath as well. I mean, the house is over here, absolutely beautiful. I must pop down here and just have a little walk around in the summertime and just show you some of these beautiful locations and beautiful houses. Just to give you an idea, there's this one just behind. That's an actual house, guys. It looks like a castle. So we're on the heath at the minute. As you can see, guys, it's a real grey day. But you know, we're out and about. We like to be out, so doesn't matter, rain or shine, you'll catch us outside. So there's a fun fair on at Blackheath. That's our traditional Easter fun fair. So there's an Easter fun fair and also a circus going on. Oakley hasn't actually been to that as yet, so we might pop into the circus and the fun fair over the Easter holidays. We've still got a couple of days before school opens, so we might pop up here again and venture into the circus and also into the fun fair. So we're just coming down now to Blackheath Centre, and there's a famous church here on the heath. Oakley always says it looks like, well, there's a few churches here in this area, but Oakley always says it looks like the Harry Potter castle. I think you guys, if you know Blackheath, you'll know the church that I'm talking about. And it's, show it now. Yep, Oakley wants to show it. Oh, it's over there. Sorry, we're going in a different direction. So we are here now. We're about to go in. I'm so excited. Oh, okay, round. Sound. Yes, that's what I like to see. Mine and Oakley's dessert. I've got vanilla ice cream with strawberry sauce, and Oakley's got strawberry ice cream. Like these. Amazing.
Mommy, all the sit down candy.
Yeah, they do. They all sit down. It's the same. It's the same, but not free. Where are you, Oaks? Yay.
Guys, thank you so much for watching my little vlog of myself and my family going to Ikea. I really hope you enjoyed it. Do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next video, which is going to be an Ikea haul showing you what I actually picked up in today's video. So take care, keep well, and I'll see you very soon.